Well, hello. Welcome to episode 5 already of the build of the NASA Apollo Saturn V rocket. So build number 5 of the Saturn V. As always, well, as usually or recently, I've been playing some Una Originals background music, copyright free. So hope you enjoy that. And if it's a bit too loud, I can always lower it a little bit. There we go. Perfect. All right, well, join me as I begin part 5, continue building the Saturn V rocket. Without further ado, let's go. Okay, I've been looking forward to putting this fellow together. Okay, so we got a bunch of these. I believe part 5 is going to be finishing the vents here. I'm going to turn that down a little more. Okay, perfect. So let's go, part 5. Did that. Cool. Let's see, here we go. That's it, part 5, okay. So we're going to build 4 of these. So let's go ahead and do that. Times 4. Okay, that piece there. Okay, so we need 4 of these. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and now we need 8 of those and 4 of those. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Alrighty, and 8 of these full little buttons. Okay. That's a lot. All right. 2 there, 2 there. Oh. Right, and last button right there, okay. And then 3 of these and 3 of these, so a whole bunch of them. Alrighty. I don't know about you all, but I've been excited to finally continue building. It's been a couple days for me. It might have only been one day. You might be binge watching these. I hope you're enjoying them so far. They're fairly chill, fairly relaxed. Okay, 3, and I'm going to do 2 more little lighter ones, and then we'll be good. Alright, let's start. Okay, so that's what we do. So we'll take this like so, boom, and then there we go. 1, 2. Got the production chain going. Okay. Okay, so now these parts, how do they go? So, okay, so light gray underneath, dark gray on top. Do so, and so, and then I would say like this, like that. Okay. Like that. Okay, perfect. One, two, three. Okay. That, like that, and like that. Okay, nice. How is that? Is the camera too far away? No, it's okay, I think. There we go. Okay, so number 2. Now we go for number 3. 1. Might as well snap it on directly. Okay, 2 and 3. Boop. Okay. Oops. Wrong one. Boop. Like that. Perfect. There we go. Next page. Okay, so now we need 8 of these red ones and then these white parts. Okay. 2, 3. Whoa. Okay. And now we need 4 of these. Each, so 12. 4, 4, 4, 4. Okay, and now 4 of these white squares, which I believe are in here. Yes, sir. 3. Oops, not you. Let's see. Where are you? There you are. No. There he is. Okay. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so now set them like that and like that. Okay, so be like this. Okay. That. And now this one in the middle and 4 like that. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Okay, 2. Okay, here we go. Nice. Whoa. Okay. There we go. 4. And now we add them to the rocket. So how do we do this? We snap them onto this yellow part. So these yellow parts here, the one that's facing us, and we put it on top of the letters. So let's go for it. Carefully. Here it comes. So like this. Boom. It snapped in. Okay. Let's do it. Really? Like that? Wait. What? Wrong one. Wrong spot. Okay. There we go. Here. That's it. Okay. We want the part that has the tube here. Okay. There we go. That's better. Okay. That's where we want to put it. Two. Whoa, 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 whoa. Come on. Okay, 2, okay. Wait, but I think that's actually where we do need to put it now. Here and, Oh, I put it in wrong. Okay, silly me. The blue needs to, oh dear, okay. Blue needs to be on this side. You were probably shouting at me. There we go, okay. Blue on this side, blue on this side, okay. This one was correct. Okay, perfect. And now with these, same thing, right? Yep, I guess so. Okay. Okay, there we go. And here. Alrighty, there it is. It's in. Okay. Now for the next. Okay, now for the next part. We need to make another 4 of these, but rather than having this white part, it's all vent. Okay, so let's go. 2, 3, 4. You know what? I think it would be, maybe if we just take all of these parts out, it'll be easier. We don't need these or these. Okay, let's put these back for now. These. Yeah, easier to just take everything that we need out. Whoa, gotcha. And then just put what we don't need back in the bag. Okay, so let's go. So we do this. 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3. To see that, at least for now, it seems that we have an extra button. I think they do that just in case, so there's no chance of them missing. They put in some extra buttons. Okay, perfect. And now we do these. So that's oops. Lower this a little bit. That one's pretty loud. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and let's snap him on. 1, 2, 3. Oops. I mean, I might as well connect all of these, we're gonna need them anyway. Oop. missing some dark ones, which I had already taken out. Okay, there we go. And here's your counterpart. Okay, so now I'll just go ahead and snap these on. You know what? We can also do this while we're at it. Perfect. Boop. Alrighty, this one's extra. Boop. And now vents. That may be enough. Let's find out. Maybe we need to use all the vents. I don't know if we're gonna need more. I kind of feel like we're gonna need more, but I have no idea. We might cover. No, actually, I think we're gonna cover everything except for the parts around the tubes. So one piece. One Piece. Yeah, I've never seen that manga. Reasons why: number one, I don't like the art style at all, and number two, it's way too long. So never felt any appeal to watch One Piece. Sorry to fans of the show. No hate. It's just not to my taste. I don't really watch much anime, to be honest. I have watched a few, like, I don't know, I like closed shows, so like maybe Cowboy Bebop, Trigun, Initial D. I did watch the whole series of Initial D, which I really enjoyed. I really enjoyed Initial D. It was a lot of fun. And some movies every so often. I watched a season of Made in Abyss. I watched the one about the orphanage. That's a little bit creepy. I won't spoil, but it's great. I really liked that one. It was fun. Although it did get kind of crazy in the following seasons. But yeah. Alrighty, so now we connect these with the blue facing this side, and we put them on top of here, so like this. Okay, looking good. Blue facing this side. Boop. Okay, vents are coming on. It's all coming together. Boom. This is nice. Clever. Okay, look at that. We got almost all the vents in. Cool, 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 cool. Okay, there we go. So let's set you back down there. And now, next page. All right, we're gonna cover up the remaining, these two. So that's two of these long parts here. Awesome. So we're gonna take all our remaining pieces because we're gonna need them. And we're gonna build these two last parts that we need. Oop. Okay, so take this, and directly put these on. Okay. So start leaving 4 nubs at the bottom. Put them in the 6 middle. Okay, like so. 1. Whoop, upside down. But yeah, I'm not an anime enjoyer or a fanatic, but I do like to watch some shows every so often, especially if it's got a story I find compelling, characters I enjoy. So the black on this side and the white on that side. Perfect. Alrighty. That's one. But yeah. What was the last one I saw? Oh, I'm not sure. I think the last one I actually watched was a movie, an anime movie called Hardline, or no, Redline. Redline, that's it. It's a really fun sci-fi racing anime. Really enjoyable. It's a movie, a one shot, like an hour and a half long, and then it's done. I really enjoyed it. It was a lot of fun. Kind of crazy, but cool. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and assume that these go like this because it makes sense, and these would cover up the remaining portion next to the pipe. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that, and then we'll see if we needed to do something else afterwards. But I got a feeling. Okay, so this just goes on top of here. Let's go. Oh, come on. And it's in. Look at that. One vent done there. Yeah, I'll bet. Okay, here we go. So now we do this one. Oh dear, it's starting to look like a rocket, like a solid piece. Look at that. We only have 2 remaining parts, and I'll bet that's where these go. I'll bet that's what we needed to do. It's pretty obvious. Yep, that's exactly right. Look at that. Boom. And boom. Part 5 complete. And with that, the whole visual part is now rounded off. Look at that, how nice it looks. Stage 1 of Saturn V is nearly complete. We just need to finish the bottom part here, the rockets, and by the looks of it, that's what we're gonna do next time. We're gonna add the rocket engines to this beast in part 6. So, alrighty, stay tuned and join me for part 6. Exciting, where we finally add the rocket engines to stage 1 of the Saturn V rocket. Stage 1 is the bottom portion, the first portion that fires, and then will get removed when the next stages of the rocket continue flying out into space. This is stage 1, which is the main part of the rocket, the large part that gets the rocket out off of the Earth. So, join me in part 6 next time as I continue to finish the Saturn V rocket and complete stage 1. Exciting. Okay, hope you enjoyed this part of the build. It's been a bit shorter than some of the previous ones, which isn't too bad. Yeah, thanks for watching, everyone. See you next time. Bye-bye. Peace out.